Good morning, my viewers. How are we doing? Happy Children Day to every parent and to all our children at home. Today, I just want to speak about the misconceptions most of us always have about some of our pronunciations or some of our materials we use in power system stroke electrical engineering system. So I have about 5 of it that we always use interchangeably or we have misconception about. Number one of it is lightning arrestor and lightning conductor. Stop saying lightning arrestor is being placed on our building. No. Now, both of them, they are protective device that protects whether our building or our equipment. So the one you see on the building, that one is the one that attracts our thunder strike and attract it to the ground. So that one on the building is called lightning conductor. Google it. You can do research on it. Why the one you put to protect your equipment at the substations or at your powerhouse is what we call lightning arrestor. That one that has something like D like this one that look like this, the one you are seeing on the screen, what we call lightning arrestor. Why the one on the building, on the top of the building, is what we call lightning conductor. Both of them are what a protective device that what attracts the thunder strike or lightning into the ground. Number two I want to talk about is GMP fuse and expulsion fuse element. GMP fuse is just one of the name of the company that produce expulsion fuse element. I said it, when we were growing up, you said, go and bring me 26 amps GMP fuse. No, all those fuse elements that you see on our substations, it is called expulsion fuse element. GMP fuse just happen to be one of the company that produce such. In those days, we have so many companies that do that right now. Number three, I'll talk to you about barrel insulator and stay insulator. When we're growing up in power system, they always call this one that hold the poles together, the one that hold the stay wire to the ground. There's an insulator with those brown things. It is called stay insulator. But they used to tell us a barrel insulator. But barrel insulator is just all those red chrome in our switch gear, in our panels that protects that we used to hold our copper so that it will not touch the body, the one like the one you are seeing on the screen, that will not touch the body of our panel. So that is what we do, barrel insulator and steel insulator. Number four, I said earthing and grounding. There are so many mix-up in that one. You earth what a non-carrying part of an electrical equipment, like your transformer, the body, you earth the body. Like a distribution board, you earth the body. Why the neutral part of your equipment is what you ground. Meaning when you ground a current carrying part, you remember when we go to site to go and do our job, you say you want to go and ground your line in case maybe they want to on the supply. So you know the difference between the earthing and grounding now. You earth non-conducting part of your equipment, which is the body of the panel, body of the transformer, to avoid electric shock. Why you ground the neutral parts of your equipment. Why the last one that we'll be talking about is what we call the silica gel and the breather. No, now a breather is just a container you connected to your conservator tank on the transformer for transformer to breathe. Why those pebbles inside is what we call silica gel. Some people will say, go and bring silica gel for me. They'll go and bring the breather. I think you'll be able to learn something today about 5 misconceptions we always do. If you have your own, you can add it to my lecture this morning. I said between lightning arrestor and lightning conductor. Lightning conductor is put at the top of your to protect the building. Lightning arrestor is the one you put at your substation to protect your equipment or transformer. Number two, I talk about GMP fuse and expulsion fuse. Number three, I talk about barrel insulator and stay insulator. Number four, I talk about earthing and grounding. Where one, earthing is for the body, while grounding is for the neutral. Why the last one I talk about the silica gel and breather. So you get, so silica gel is put inside the breather. So you are able to understand it right now. So I feel if you have your own that you want to, maybe you are not understand. All this I'm saying is in the textbook. Google it, go to textbook. You see it there live and direct. Let us meet in another class as we talk about another thing. But you can drop it in my comment section if you have maybe anything you want to add. Thank you and bye for now.